Hello dear students, myself Ravindra Durgavedi. I have taken a question for you from projectile motion. We have a building of height 10 meter and two particles 1 and 2 are at the top of the building, है ना? And one particle and two particles have the same speed. So one particle is projected and after some time second particle is projected and they will collide at air. Okay. So we have to find the time interval after which second particle is projected for after projection of first particle. Okay. So let t is equal to 0. First particle 1 is projected, which is projected at angle 60 degree from horizontal. It comes at point P. Then P is point of collision, and second particle projected after time delta t. So how we can do this question? So for solving this question, the location of particle with respect to this point should be same because they collide in air. So they have the same vertical displacement. So displacement of one particle with respect to this point O will be 10 plus 10 plus, because it is going up, 10 plus 5 root 3 sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into t minus half gt square. Okay, t is the time when first particle reach at this point. Okay, this is the coordinates, vertical coordinates of particle 1 with respect to this point. Okay, and similarly position of second particle with respect to same point, and second particle projected horizontally, and after projection of first particle it is projected after time delta t. So its y coordinate will be 10 minus half g t minus delta t. It will take delta t time less than first particle. Okay, so equating both coordinates, because v12 should be equal to 0, relative y direction bulk displacement should be equal to 0. So 10 plus 5 root 3 into root 3 by 2 t minus half gt square should be equal to 10 minus half g t square plus delta t minus k 2 delta t. Okay, so 10 will cancelled and this will be 5 into 3 by 2 t minus half gt square, and this is equal to minus k half gt square minus k minus half g delta t square, and plus g gt delta t. Okay, t is missing here. Okay, so it will also cancelled. Okay, so what will be the value now? 15 by 2t is equal to minus 10 by 2 delta t square plus gt delta t. Taking equation 1. Okay, when they collide, they will travel the same horizontal distance. Suppose horizontal distance traveling is x, so displacement of first particle along x-axis, that will be 5 root 3 cos 60 t, and this would be equal to the displacement of second particle along x-axis. This will be 5 root 3 t minus delta t. Okay, so this will cancelled, 5 root 3 will cancelled, cos 60 is half, so t by 2 is equal to t minus delta t. Okay, so from here we get delta t is equal to t by 2. Take equation 2. Okay, now we can solve 1 and 2 for delta t because we have to find the time interval for the collision. So putting t is equal to 2 delta t in expression 1. So expression 1 is this. So now we have 15 by 2 delta t equal to minus 5 delta t square plus g t is equal to 2 delta t square. Okay, so this is 20 delta t square, and this is 5 delta t square, this is 15 delta t square, and this is also 15 delta t, this is also 15 delta t. So from delta t will cancel once, so delta t which comes out to be 1 second. So after 1 second of projection of first particle, second particle can be projected so that it can meet at point P. Okay, so this is solved and time is interval is 1 second. Then how we can solve for the coordinates? By putting this delta t in this expression, and delta t is 1 second, and what will be the t? T will be 2 second. So putting t is equal to 2 second in this we can find x coordinate, and y coordinate we can find either putting this or in this. So x coordinate will be 5 root 3 cos 60 is 1 by 2 and t is 2. So x coordinate will be 5 root 3 meter. X coordinate will be 5 root 3 meter. Okay, and how we can find y coordinate? By putting this t in this expression. So y, because we are taking reference with respect to ground position, so y will be 10 plus 5 root 3, that is 5 into 3 by 2, and t is 2 minus half, g is 10 and 2 square 4. Okay, so 2 will cancelled and 2 will cancelled. So 10 plus 15 minus 20, that is 25 minus 20, that is 5 meter. Okay, so coordinate of this point with respect to this ground, this will be, x coordinate will be 5 root 3 and y coordinate is 5. So overall the coordinates of P point is also find. So we can do this problem in this way. Okay, so thank you for watching me. Okay, thank you.